All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So bend, the truth, the correct thing, the right thing. Yeah, the right thing. Yeah, the truth, the accurate thing. So lying, to say a falsehood, or misleading, leading people on the wrong path. Yeah. Or making something appear bigger or smaller than it actually is. So you're telling the truth, but not exactly. Yeah, it is not quite right or accurate. It is somewhat misleading. Yeah, misleading. Yeah, or sometimes you're lying. Yeah, it depends. Yeah. So he often bends the truth. Yeah, he told me that it would be here, but it was not quite here yet. It arrived later. He bent the truth. It would be here. Yeah, here tomorrow. Not quite exactly. He was not quite exactly telling the truth. Yeah, not quite exactly. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Careful with them. They bend the truth often. Yeah. They will say clever things that bend the truth so it appears that they are right. Yeah, be careful with them. They tend to bend the truth. How cool is that? If you're not careful, she might bend the truth against me. Yeah. Very good, yeah. He might say things that are not quite accurate, yet in a way are right. So here is the parcel. It has a gift inside it, but the gift is not for you. It's got a gift, but not for you. It's for him. Yeah. So bending the truth, not quite accurate. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, so bend the truth. So, for example, I have a big book for sale. It is a big book only because the words are big. Yeah, they're big. Big, oh, not book, big. Big words. Well, if the words are big, then so is the book. So it's not quite a big book. Yeah. Yeah. If the words are big, then so is the book. But that means it is not quite a big book then. Not quite accurate. Okay, alright. Okay. Yeah. So, how cool is that, language explorers? Bend the truth, yeah. So, how can you make a sentence with bend the truth in it? Comment below. And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.